If you're learning coding with YouTube, if you're learning programming with YouTube, or you want to learn with YouTube, I think this video will help you a lot. Okay, this video will be quite helpful to you. Pay attention. YouTube has lots of videos, millions of videos in it. And if you want to learn, and you can actually learn anything, you can search for video for anything on YouTube and you'll see some videos there. And it's a huge advantage to those that actually want to learn. Okay, so you can actually learn from YouTube. Okay, but then what are the steps you're going to do? You just go to YouTube, type in what you want to learn, then you start learning? No, if you do that, you're making a huge mistake. You don't do that. If you do that, what will happen is that you're going to get a lot of videos, so many videos, and you end up watching videos that you don't really supposed to watch, and you end up wasting time that are not there. You don't have enough time, you know. You have little time in this life, so every time is expensive. You get me? So surely you can watch videos, but for you to start watching thousands of videos just to get something done, it's not recommended at all. Okay, because you might end up watching videos that was created by like 10 years ago. There are videos that might no longer be relevant now. You are watching it and it will confuse you eventually. Okay, maybe after watching the video that was created some time ago, then you start watching the one that was created recently. You find out that they are not talking about this. You're actually watching a video that is talking about the same topic. They are saying two different things. Get you confused. You get me? So this is what you do. It's either you can start by hiring a coach. I've said this in my previous videos. You hire a coach to give you a roadmap of what you're going to learn, videos you're going to watch, and how you're going to watch it. Or if you don't have money to hire a coach, use AI. Just go to ChatGPT and type in how to. Maybe if you want to learn programming, say how to code, something like that, how to create websites, how to create mobile app. Then you wait, AI will give you steps. Then you can do it like this. You can type it, you can say give me a roadmap, or give me the programming languages I'm going to learn to be able to build complete websites. List it in the order I'm going to learn them, something like this. Then you see the languages it will list for you. Okay, so after listing it, then you now take what you got to go to YouTube. You now start typing whatever you see there. Whatever AI tells you, you type it on YouTube. Then you start learning. It will help you a lot, but just know that paying a coach will be a lot better. Paying a coach will be a lot better. You understand what I'm saying? And in our academy, we have everything structured for you. So if you're ready to pay a coach, then you can chat me. I'll try to drop my contact in the comment section. You chat me to guide you on how to start learning. Let's continue on how to learn with YouTube. I'm assuming that you just want to learn with YouTube, that you don't want to pay anybody to coach you. Okay, meanwhile, if you like this video, share it to people. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, you turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you get notified and you rush and watch it. Okay, very good. Then you can also like the video. If you like it, you smash the like button. I will appreciate. Okay, I will appreciate. Thank you so much. So let's continue on how to, if you want to concentrate on YouTube. Okay, if you don't want to pay anybody, the next thing you have to do is, when you search for a particular title of the videos, just know that it will take you longer time. Actually, it will take you a longer time. But just when you search for a title of the video you want to watch several videos. You don't just watch one video and you're okay. No, you must have to watch several videos on a particular topic. But when you watch several videos, you put together all the knowledge you've captured from the different videos. Then you'll be able to come up with how things works. You understand? By watching videos created by different people, talking about the same topic, I think it will give you a better idea of what the topic is about, and you learn it fast, you learn it well. Just know that watching many videos on one single topic is cumbersome. Okay, but that is the best way to go if you surely want to learn from YouTube. Then another thing is, don't just watch video on YouTube, watch and practice. Watch and practice. Don't just watch videos. Watching videos is not enough. You watch and do what? You practice. Because people are used to, when they go to YouTube, they just watch videos, watch and watch, but they actually needed to practice. If you practice, you learn it. Unless if you are watching just for hobby, if you are seeing it as a hobby, if you want to make it a profession, you want to make money with that skill. When you watch, you do what? You practice it. Okay, so you put your laptop, you're watching and you're practicing. Okay, after you must have watched different topics based on the recommendation of AI. Okay, then you've watched so many topics, so many steps. Then another thing is that you might get across to playlist, YouTube playlist that talks about, that will give you a kind of an organized form training on how to start from the beginning, like give you a fundamental. For example, you can come across, let's say if you want to learn Python, for example, you can come across a playlist that talks about fundamentals of Python from beginners level until you finish the fundamentals. So that playlist can be quite helpful to you too. Once you come across it, take your time, go through the entire playlist. It might be many videos, like about 20, 30, 40 videos. Take your time, go from the first video to the last video. By the time you're done with that, just know that to a good extent, you're qualified. You're qualified to move to the next level. And the next level is building applications. You have to build applications. If you don't build applications, you've not mastered that language. So whatever you've learned, then search for maybe how to build something with Python. Let's say if you want to build a website now, maybe if you're learning towards building a website and you've learned fundamentals of Python and you're taking your time to learn everything on YouTube, then you now type in how to build a website with Python. Then you see videos on how to do that. Then you begin to learn. And at a point while you're learning, you might also come across some things you don't know. If you come across a topic, maybe someone is talking about a concept you did not know, write it down and leave that particular video and go to search on YouTube. Search that topic on YouTube, so that you master that topic first before you come back to learning. So the first project you're going to build will be quite cumbersome, because it might lead you to go back and learn another concept. While you're trying to build a project, you will jam another concept that you did not know. You go back and learn that concept. Then you come back to learn, to keep building what you're building. You will keep doing this thing until you're done building the first project. Once you're done building the first project, building the second project will be a lot easier, but you have to build a second project and possibly build the third project. Okay, by the time you're done building the third project, you have mastered that language. That's how you can learn with YouTube. If you don't want to pay anybody, even though I won't recommend you learning from YouTube without paying anybody, because it has its own disadvantage. Okay, because programming is easy but not that easy. You might get stuck, you might need to ask somebody a question, and you also need connections after learning. And when you have a coach, your coach can give you connections, and you need to also link connections of other people, as in you have other people that are learning. And when you pay somebody to teach you, you have access to that person's students, you connect with them. All these things will help you to get a job or to learn more and learn faster. That is why there's need for you to pay to learn. Okay, the only reason why you should be learning through YouTube alone is when you don't have money and you worked hard to get money and money is not coming. But I know if you work hard, money will come. So the only time you should be learning through YouTube is when you are trying to save up to pay a coach. But do not remove the idea of paying a coach from your mind. No, always know that at some point in your learning career, in your learning process, you must pay a coach. So while you're trying to learn with YouTube, keep saving towards paying a coach. The moment you raise enough money, pay a coach to make the work easy for you. Once you pay a coach will direct you and give you guidelines on how to learn and connect you. Okay, you might even end up working with that coach, partnering with the coach to make money. I hope you understand. So that's how it works.